Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on StockX. Simple, go ahead and hover over your account on the upper right and click on wallet. Now under this section, you want to scroll down a bit and you will find two sections, right? You will have payment method for buying and payment method for selling. So, and you also have the selling payment method here that you can add. So let's say you want to buy something from StockX. Simple, choose buying payment method, right? Click on add. Choose that you want to add, for example, a credit or debit card or PayPal, whichever one you choose. Let's say card, click on that and fill in your details right here. So you'll be able to fill in your details of your address, then click on next, and then you'll be able to add your credit card details there. And that's it, guys. Keep in mind that they want to know the details that is also associated with your credit card. So it would be really good if you have all of those information sync so that it works perfectly fine. So you just need to go ahead and fill in your address, as you can see, and go ahead and click next and fill in your card details. And you can choose if you want to use it as your shipping address. So again, it's important. The details that they're asking for here is your billing address. Your billing address, it is most likely associated with the address that you have associated with your credit or debit card. So that's the address you want to fill in. Then go ahead and click next, fill in your credit card details. And if it's the same as your shipping address, then you can go ahead and just check this box and say use my saved shipping address. You can choose if you want to use that as well. Fill in that in, and once you do that, you just need to go ahead and click on next. So click on next. Here you'll be able to add in your card details and then click on submit. And that's all that you have to do, guys.